This is the way that they open the zoo each morning. So the zoo actually opens at 9 a.m. But prior to the actual opening, they have people come into the plaza right near the main walkway of the zoo. So you'll walk in through the turnstiles, and then there's a rope like a barrier, and then everybody can stand and wait in this area for the grand opening activity. What the activity is, they do a full flight bird release, and they are the tropical birds, and one of the varieties are the macaws. So it's pretty cool to see. It's hard to catch it on film, but I've never been there early enough to see the actual setup. So here you see the young lady is setting up the stabilizer bars, and then now she is raising the decorative box. Within that decorative box are the macaws. And then once everything is all set up and the decorative box is raised up into the air, then she will give the morning greeting, telling about the basic information about the zoo, and then she will have a volunteer from the audience come and do a countdown, press a button, and then release the birds. Because there is a large group of people gathered around, I did opt to do a voiceover for this portion. And so you're not able to hear the introduction and the additional information, but I'll see if I can work on a clip with that, with minimal talking from other people. And then that way you'll be able to hear the birds and the greeting from the girl. But I wanted to present the entire clip so that you're able to see the raising of the box and how the setup is.